Is Logan Paul a genius? Let's have a look. So recently I was just scrolling through my Twitter and Instagram, and then I came across this.
What's up, y'all? Logan here. As an avid collector and strategic investor myself, I am so stoked to announce the launch of Liquid Marketplace, a platform where collectors can buy and sell fractions of rare collectibles via tokens on the blockchain. As a co-founder of Liquid Marketplace, I believe we're set to level.
Now, if you're unsure what is Liquid Marketplace is, it's basically it's basically a bank selling you NFTs. Is a way to think of it. So basically what it is they have in their vault, their own vault, of highly valuable collectible item, be it say his $5 million Pokemon card, you know, that blinged out thing costs $5 million. Well, he'll put that $5 million card that he always has around his neck nowadays in a vault, and then he'll start sending NFTs, you know, non-fungible tokens, on the Ethereum blockchain for it. That's kind of genius. Now, the point of the marketplace is people can buy, sell, and own a portion of this rare collectible, but do they actually own a portion of that rare collectible, or do they just own an essential NFT of that rare collectible? I mean, at the end of the day, Liquid Marketplace owns it, and they're not going to give 20% of it away. They're not going to cut the card in 20% or 10% or 1% and start giving it out to people. So they're still going to have it. So who owns it? Well, they own the item, and then people can own a portion of what? I mean, what exactly are they giving up? Which is the classic NFT argument, I guess. I mean, if you're into NFTs and this is your thing, then it does make sense, and it's a stroke of genius, because, you know, you buy this rare collectible thing, you have its physical presence, you can now sell, you can now make money on it. You can now sell portions of it while still having it in your possession, and you still own the physical thing, but you can pay it off by selling percentages of it. So I had a little look at what exactly will be on this marketplace, and one thing really caught my eye. Now, you know, you would have the basketball players, the Pokemon cards, but NFT. So wait, you're selling NFTs of NFTs? Like, really? God damn, you buy one NFT, you can milk it for 100. So, you know, there's only 10,000 NFTs, but for each of those 10,000, they could also have another 10,000 of them. That's crazy. So you're owning a percentage of an NFT. So how is that going in the vault? I don't understand. I thought this vault was for physical items. I understand the Pokemon cards, the basketball cards, whatever, collectibles. I understand that. But an NFT? How are you putting that in the vault? I don't get it. And this circle round is my whole issue with this. Now, we've seen it in the past where especially influencers, they get away with some dodgy stuff. Now, I'm not saying Logan Paul's anything like that. This guy, he knows how to make money, and he doesn't look like he's trying to rip people off. But if you wanted to, it wouldn't be hard with this. All I would say is be careful. Be careful. I'm sure it's safe.